So this is my final year project that I did in college. It's a game called Cardboard, and you play as this little cardboard box man. And it's just a simple platformer, like a 3D platformer. And it's got some simple game mechanics, like, there's buttons that you can weight down just by standing like that. There's buttons that require you to push a small cube onto them, and then there's also buttons that require a bigger, larger cube. There's little collectibles, as you can see, there's these stamps that you can go around and collect. I'm quite happy with how this project turned out. All the 3D models and textures and animations, code was all done by myself. So I'm very happy, considering that I'm primarily a programmer. I'm quite happy with how it all turned out. Now you can see here is me pushing a box, and you'll see that you can't currently progress until you push that box onto the button. So I'm quite happy again with how it all turned out. It was a very fun project to work on. I got a lot of inspiration from Little Big Planet and Unraveled as well when I was working on this project. You can see we'll now go to the next level here. And this game also featured a pause menu as well. It didn't have any settings or anything like that. I didn't have time to implement those kind of features, but a simple pause menu did good enough. And unfortunately, at this point in the project, I had run out of time, so that was going to be continuing on to another level there, but I didn't have enough time to continue it. And here we can see a little bit closer up with some of the models that I made. They had normal maps, or some of the ones that needed normal maps got normal maps. And here's a layout of what one of the levels look like. So you can see all the triggers and colliders, and a bit more close up with some of the models that I made.